Tinggi Perempuan Raja Isteri versus Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir. And assisting me in today's quiz is our timekeeper, Rohana Muhammad Saleh, our scorer, Mariati Muhammad Yasin, our adjudicators, Dr. L.M. Srivastava and Dr. J. Ruberu, and for our board game assistants, we have Masita Sulaiman and Siti Rahayu Tua. So before we begin the quiz, let's welcome the team captain of Sekolah Stipri, Jenny Hong Chuling of Form 5, and her team members, Serena Dr. Haji Abdul Latif of Form 4, Mara Tesson of Form 3, Lenny Suryamura of Form 2. And from Sekolah Perdana Wazir, we have the team captain, Salman Nawab Han of Form 5, Paul Liu Wun On of Form 4, Wee Kok Hao of Form 3, and Patrick Chung Kian Kim of Form 2. So teams and for viewers at home, there's 5 rounds to this quiz, and throughout the quiz, I shall repeat each question. Each correct answer scores 2 points and a bonus scores 1 point, except for the team round. So are you ready, teams? I wish you all good luck, and for viewers at home, join us in round 1. Round 1 is a team round on general mathematics. Team members can confer, but only the team captain should give the answer. Now you have 30 seconds to answer, and no bonuses are offered in this round. So let's start the first question to Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir, to Salman. Please listen carefully. High tide on a certain day in Temburong was at 7:30 a.m. The next high tide arrived 12 hours 45 minutes later. At what time did it arrive? High tide on a certain day in Temburong was at 7:30 a.m. The next high tide arrived 12 hours 45 minutes later. At what time did it arrive? You have 30 seconds.
(8:15 p.m.)
Correct, so 2 points to Perdana Wazir. Next question goes to Jenny Hong of Stipri. Low tide on a certain day in Tutong was at 9:40 a.m. The high tide that followed was 6 hours 35 minutes later. At what time did the high tide arrive? Low tide on a certain day in Tutong was at 9:40 a.m. The high tide that followed was 6 hours 35 minutes later. At what time did the high tide arrive? You have 30 seconds.
4:15 p.m.
Correct, so 2 points for Stipri. Next question, question 2 goes to Jenny Hong of Stipri. Please listen carefully. The sum of digits in a 2-digit number is 12. If the digits are reversed, the value of the number increases by 54. What is the number? The sum of digits in a 2-digit number is 12. If the digits are reversed, the value of the number increases by 54. What is the number? You have 30 seconds. Correct, so 2 points for Stipri. Next question goes for Salman of Perdana Wazir. What is the smallest 3-digit number whose sum of digits is 6? and the product of its digit is also 6. What is the smallest 3-digit number whose sum of digits 6 and the product of its digits is also 6? You have 30 seconds from now.
$123.
Correct, so 2 points to Perdana Wazir. Next question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir. Please look at the monitor. What is the length of AB? What is the length of AB? You have 30 seconds. I'm afraid the time is up. The correct answer is 7 centimeters. Next question goes to Jenny Hong of Stipri. Please look at the monitor. What is the length of PQ? What is the length of PQ? You have 30 seconds. I'm afraid the time is up. The correct answer is 28 centimeters. Next question goes to Jenny Hong of Stipri. Listen carefully. I have a collection of $5 and $10 notes with a total value of $300. If I have twice as many $5 notes as $10 notes, how many $5 notes do I have? I have a collection of $5 and $10 notes with a total value of $300. If I have twice as many $5 notes as $10 notes, how many $5 notes do I have? 30 seconds from now. I'm afraid time is up. The correct answer is 30 pieces. Next question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir. Please listen carefully. I have a collection of 20 cents and 50 cent coins with a total value of $11. If there are 3 times as many 20 cent coins as 50 cent coins, how many 20 cents coins do I have? I have a collection of 20 cents and 50 cents coins with a total value of $11. If there are 3 times as many 20 cent coins as 50 cent coins, how many 20 cents coins do I have? You have 30 seconds from now. I'm afraid the time is up as well. So the correct answer is 30 pieces. And with that question, we've completed round 1, and let's look at the overall scores for both teams. It looks like Stipri at the moment has managed to score 4 points. And for Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir, they've also managed to score 4 points. And it looks like both teams are in the lead, so let's join us in round 2. Round 2 is an individual round on arithmetic and algebra. No conferring is allowed, and only the team member who is asked the question may answer. You have 20 seconds to answer, but if the answer is wrong or no answer is given, then the question will be offered to the opposite member of the other team for a bonus. And the bonus answer must then be given within 10 seconds. So let's start the first question to Leni Surya of Stipri. What is the remainder when 3049 is divided by 15? What is the remainder when 3049 is divided by 15? You have 20 seconds. I'm afraid the time is up, so I have to pass the question to Patrick of Perdana Wazir.
10.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 4. Next question goes to Patrick of Perdana Wazir of Year 2. When a number is divided by 11, the quotient is 20 and the remainder is 7. What is the number? When a number is divided by 11, the quotient is 20 and the remainder is 7. What is the number? You have 20 seconds.
$231.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I have to pass the question to Stipri for a bonus, to Lenny. I'm afraid both teams are unable to answer the question. The correct answer is 227. Next question goes to Meritasan of Stipri. Please look at the monitor. What is the value of 6 times 12 times 8, the whole thing, square root?
$24.
Correct, so 2 points to Stipri. Next question goes for Wee Kok Hao of Perdana Wazir. Please look at the monitor. What is the value of root 27 times 21 times 7? I'm afraid Perdana Wazir has not managed to answer the question, so I'll pass the question to Stipri, to Meritasan.
$57.
I'm afraid again the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 63. Next question goes to Serena of Stipri for Year 4. If 3/1/3% of a sum of money is $50, what is 10% of the same sum of money? If 3/1/3% of a sum of money is $50, What is 10% of the same sum of money? You have 20 seconds. I'm afraid Serena has not managed to answer the question, so I'll pass the question to Paul of Perdana Wazir.
$130.
Can you repeat that, please?
$130.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is $150. Next question goes to Paul of Perdana Wazir. If I spend 1/4 of my pocket money, I still have $3.60 left. How much pocket money did I have at the beginning? If I spend 1/4 of my pocket money, I still have $6.30 left. How much pocket money did I have at the beginning? You have 20 seconds.
$12.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll pass the question to Serena of Stipri.
$4.80.
Correct, so 1 bonus point for Stipri. Next question goes to Jenny of Stipri. Please listen carefully. About 4,800 square kilometers or 80% of the total land area in Brunei Darussalam is forested. What is the total land area of Brunei Darussalam? About 4,800 square kilometers or 80% of the total land area in Brunei Darussalam is forested. What is the total land area of Brunei Darussalam? You have 20 seconds.
$6,000.
I'll have to refer to the adjudicators for this.
Yes, we can take that answer.
Right, so correct, so 2 points to Stipri. Next question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir. About 10,000 people or 4% of the estimated population of Brunei Darussalam live in Temburong district. What is the estimated population of Brunei Darussalam? About 10,000 people or 4% of the estimated population of Brunei Darussalam live in Temburong district. What is the estimated population of Brunei Darussalam? You have 20 seconds from now.
$250,000 people.
Correct, so 2 points to Perdana Wazir. And with that question, it marks the end of round 2. And let's look at the scores for both teams. Stipri have managed to score 9 points. And for Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir, they have managed to score 6 points. So 3 more rounds to go, and join us in round 3. Round 3 is a speed round which can make all the difference. Now, as soon as any member of either team thinks they know the answer, they can buzz in, but the answer must then be given without any hesitation. You don't have to wait for the question to be repeated, and as usual, a correct answer scores 2 points, but if the answer is wrong or player hesitates for too long, then 1 point is deducted from the team's total. If no one answers after 20 seconds, then I shall pass on to the next question. So are you ready, teams? Fingers on your buzzers, and here goes the first question. What is the value of 0.25 squared divided by 0.25 cubed? What is the value of 0.25 squared divided? Question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
4.
Correct. Next question. The diagonal of a square is 4 centimeters. What is the area of the square? The diagonal of a square is, is 4 centimeters. What is, question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
8 centimeters square.
Correct. Next question, please look at the monitor. ABCD is a parallelogram. How many triangles have area equal to triangle ABC? ABCD is a parallelogram. How many triangles have area equal to triangle ABC? You have 20 seconds. Question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
8.
I'm afraid the question is incorrect. The correct answer is 3. So minus 1 point from your team's total. Next question. What is the value of x in 2 times 3 to the power of x equals 54? What is the value of x in 2 times 3 to the power of... Question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
3.
Correct. Next question. A sum of $140 is divided among A, B, C, so that A has twice as many as B and B has twice as many as C. How much does C get? Question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
$20.
Correct. Next question. A number has the following properties. It lies between 100 and 200. It is a square number. When its digits are reversed, it is still a square number. Question goes to Lenny of Stipri.
81.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll have to pass. The correct answer is 121. So minus 1 mark from your team's total. Next question. What is 12.5% as a fraction in its lowest form? What is 12.5%? Question goes to Mera of Stipri.
1/8.
Correct. Next question. If P is to Q equals 4:3 and Q is to R equals 6:7, what is the value of P is to R? Question goes to Mera of Stipri.
8:7.
Correct. Next question. An Olympic sprinter runs the 100 meters in 10 seconds. What is his speed in kilometers per hour? An Olympic sprinter runs the 100 meters in 10 seconds. What is his speed in kilometers per hour? You have 20 seconds. Question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
36 kilometers per hour.
Can you repeat that, please?
36 kilometers per hour.
Correct. So 2 points for Perdana Wazir. For this question, please look at the monitor. What is the next number in the sequence? What is the next number in the sequence? Question goes to Serena of Stipri.
198.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 94. So minus 1 mark from your team's total. And with that question, we've completed round 3, and let's look at the overall scores for both teams. It looks like Stipri have scored 11 points. And for Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir, they've managed to score 15 points. So for Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir, you're on the lead and 2 more rounds to go. And for Stipri, you need some catching up to do. is an individual round on geometry. No comparing is allowed, and you have 20 seconds to give the answer. If the answer is wrong or no answer is given, then the question will be offered to the opposing member of the other team for a bonus, and the bonus answer must then be given within 10 seconds. So looks like both teams are ready. For viewers at home, join us in this round, and we begin this round with Patrick of Perdana Wazir. Please listen carefully, of year 2. Please look at the monitor. What is the value of x in this figure? What is the value of x in this figure? We have 20 seconds.
35 degree.
Can you repeat that, please?
35 degree.
Correct. So 2 points to Perdana Wazir. Next question goes to Lenny of Stipri of year 2. Look at the monitor. What is the value of x in this figure? What is the value of x in this figure? You have 20 seconds.
$75 degrees.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll pass the question to Patrick of Perdana Wazir.
80 degree.
Correct. Next question goes for Wee Kok Hao of Perdana Wazir of year 3. Please look at the monitor. O is the center of the circle. PA and PB are tangents to the circle at A and B. What is the value of x in this figure? O is the center of the circle. PA and PB are tangents to the circle at A and B. What is the value of x in this figure? You have 20 seconds.
80 degrees.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll pass the question to Stipri, to Lenny, to Mera, I'm sorry. I'm afraid both teams are unable to answer the question. The correct answer is 70 degrees. Next question goes to Mera of Stipri. Please look at the monitor. CD is the tangent to the circle at D. What is the value of x in this figure? CD is the tangent to the circle at D. What is the value of x in this figure? You have 20 seconds. I'm afraid Mary is unable to answer the question, so I'll pass the question to Wee Kok Hao of Perdana Wazir.
50 degree.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 10 degrees. Next question goes to Paul of Perdana Wazir. Please listen carefully. A particle moves along a path such that it is always equidistant from the line y equals 0 and passes through the point 3, 4. What is the equation of the path of the particle? A particle moves along a path such that it is always equidistant from the line y equals 0 and passes through the point 3, 4. What is the equation of the path of the particle? You have 20 seconds.
Y equals to 4 over 3x.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll pass the question to Serena of Stipri. I'm afraid both teams are unable to answer the question. The correct answer is y equals 4. Next question goes to Serena of Stipri. Please listen carefully. A particle moves along a path such. Next question goes to Serena of Stipri. Please listen carefully. A particle moves along a path such that it is always equidistant from the line y equals 2x minus 1 and passes through the point 3, 4. What is the equation of the path of the particle? Particle moves along a path such that it is always equidistant from the line y equals 2x minus 1 and passes through the point 3, 4. What is the equation of the path of the particle? You have 20 seconds from now. I'm afraid Serena has not managed to answer the question, so I'll pass the question to Paul of Perdana Wazir.
Y equals to 2x plus 11.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is y equals 2x minus 2. Next question, please look at the monitor for Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir. Next question, please look at the monitor for Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir. What is the bearing of A from C? What is the bearing of A from C? You have 20 seconds. I'm afraid someone has not managed to answer the question, so I'll pass the question to Jenny of Stipri. Where both teams are unable to answer the question, the correct answer is 260 degrees or south, 80 degrees west. Next question goes to Jenny of Stipri. Please look at the monitor for this question. What is the bearing of P from R? What is the bearing of P from R? You have 20 seconds. It looks like Jenny has not managed to answer the question, so I'll pass it to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
110 degrees.
Correct, so one bonus to Salman. And with that question, that's the end of the fourth round, and let's look at the overall scores for both teams. Stipri has managed to score 11 points. And Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir with 19 points. So it looks like Perdana Wazir is in the lead. And for both teams, concentrate on this last round because this is your final chance. This is a team round played on the board shown. A team wins a square on the board by being first to answer for the question for that square correctly. If a wrong answer is given, the question is offered to the opposing team. If neither team gets the right answer, then that square becomes a blank. 1 point is scored for each square won, and for any member of the team can answer. Each number on the board refers to the question to be attempted for that square. Now, teams, if you want to win this game, you've got to get 4 squares in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Then the game finishes at that stage, and the winning team scores a bonus of 3 points. Otherwise, The game continues until all the squares are covered. So get ready with your buzzers and we start the game with the number 5. What is the identity element for multiplication? Question goes to Lenny of Stipri.
1.
Correct? Lenny, can you choose your number, please?
Please.
13. Name of the solid whose uniform cross-sectional area is a circle. Question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
Cylinder.
Correct? So Salman, choose your number, please.
1.
1. What triangle has only one line of symmetry? Question goes to Paul of Perdana Wazir.
Isosceles.
I'll have to refer to the adjudicators for this.
You can take that answer.
Right, so correct. Paul, can you choose your number, please?
3.
3. What number, when included in the set of natural numbers, makes it a set of whole numbers? Question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
0.
Correct. So, Salman, can you choose your number, please?
2.
2. What is the reciprocal of 1 over x? Question goes to Serena of Stipri.
X.
Correct? So, Serena, can you choose your number, please?
14.
14. What numbers have more than 2 factors? What numbers? Question goes to Jenny of Stipri.
Composite.
I'll have to refer to the adjudicators for this.
Yes, we take that answer.
Correct? So, Jenny, choose your number, please.
8.
8. What circle completely encircles a shape passing through all its verticals? What circle completely encircles a shape passing through all its verticals? Question goes to Serena of Stipri.
Inscribed circle.
I have to refer to the adjudicators.
Can we have that repeated, please, that answer?
Can you repeat the answer, please?
Inscribed circle.
I'm afraid that's wrong.
Is incorrect. So let me pass the question to Perdana Wazir. Question goes to Salman.
Circumscribed circle.
Correct. Right, Salman, choose your number, please.
16.
16. What is 1 billion in terms of the powers of 10? Question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
1 times 10 to the power of 9.
Yes, we take that answer.
Correct? Right, Salman, choose your next number, please.
6.
6. What is the name of the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter? Question goes to Jenny of Stipri.
Pi.
Correct? Right, Jenny, choose your number, please.
7.
7. What is the name of the regular polygon with an exterior angle of 36 degrees? What is? Question goes to Serena of Stipri.
Decagon.
Correct? Serena, can you choose your number, please?
10.
10. Name the mathematician who developed the branch of geometry using the x and y coordinates? Question goes to Jenny.
Cartesian.
Can you repeat that, please?
Cartesian.
I'm afraid I'll have to refer to the adjudicators for this. I'll pass the question to Perdana Wazir. Right, so both teams are unable to answer the question. The correct answer is Rainy discards. Right, so I'll choose a number by random. I'll choose 12. What t are algebraic expressions of the form ax squared plus bx plus c? What t? Question goes to Serena of Stipri.
A plus B bracket square.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll pass the question to Perdana Wazir.
Can you repeat the question?
No. I don't think so. Right, so it looks like Perdana Wazir is unable to answer the question, so the correct answer is trinomials. So I choose another number by random again. I'll choose 4. What name is given to two different fractions of the same value? What name is given to the two different fractions of the same value? Question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir.
Equivalent.
I have to refer to the adjudicators for
Yes,
this.
we take that answer.
Yes, correct. Right, someone, can you choose your number, please?
15.
15. What name is given to figures that are of the same shape and size? Question goes to Mero of Stipri.
Congruent.
Correct. Right. Stipri, Mero, can you choose your number, please?
9, please.
9. What angles, when added to one another, equals 180 degrees? Question goes to Mero of Stipri.
Supplementary angles.
Correct. Right, Mero.
11.
There's only leaves us with one question. It's number 11. What curve is represented by the equation x squared plus y squared equals 1? What curve is represented by the equation x squared plus y squared equals 1? Question goes to Salman.
Circular curve. Circle.
I have to refer to the adjudicators for this.
It's a circular curve, he said.
Right, so is that...
That's correct.
That's correct? Right, correct. So let's look at the scores for both teams. It looks like Stipri has managed to score 7 points. And Perdana Wazir has also managed to score 7 points without any bonus. And with that, let's look at the overall scores for both teams. Stipri have managed to score 18 points. And for Perdana Wazir, they've managed to score 26 points. So congratulations to Perdana Wazir for qualifying to the grand finals, and for Stipri, don't lose hope, because we hope to see you again next year. And with that, we have ended the first semi-finals of Quiz Matematik Kebangsaan kali keempat. Join us next week for the second semi-finals between Sekolah Menengah Samja and Sekolah St. Andrews. Until then, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Goodbye.